All right, so here we are on the G37 again, and what we're gonna do is show you what we took off. So you have these 3 bolts down here. One, this one's a little hard to see, 2, and 3. This bolt right here is just underneath the wire harness, so you just gotta push it back. As we come down here, this bolt here for the upper control arm, and then you see the sway bar has a bolt through it as part of the link. We just take it off from that point. That's the one that goes through from the sway bar link, and the other plate has 2 more right there, 1 and 2. We take those off. Make sure you disconnect the brake line holder. ABS lines, they just slip in. These unslip them, and that gets it all off to get your shock off and swap out your shocks. And that's how easy that is. The rear is even easier because the mounts go on top, so you can get them from behind the wheel. You take off the wheel, it comes from on top, and there's 1 bolt on the bottom. Take that off and swap it. It's super simple. The rear is easier than easy. Front's a little bit more complicated. You're going to use a 12 millimeter, a 14 millimeter, 18 millimeter, 19 millimeter, and a 21 millimeter wrench and socket. You're going to need an impact breaker bar, a couple of extensions, very basic tools, nothing crazy. Maybe a soft dead blow hammer. Sometimes things get stuck. On your impact, you want to make sure that you have a half drive, at least like an 18 volt or a high torque impact for that. But some good set of pry bars work also. You're gonna need a good set of pry bars. And that's about it. Torque wrench, get everything torqued back on. If you have any questions, please leave a comment and we'll get back to you. Thank you.